Chapter presents the various traffic laws, rules and regulations, and other statutes governing traffic. It's for us to understand the important rules and regulations about the traffic laws and para mas maintindihan pa natin ang mga dapat natin gawin kung ano yung mga bawal at hindi. There is 5 lessons that divided in this are the lesson 1 talks about the traffic laws, rules and regulations. Lesson 2 the important provisions of RA 4136. Lesson 3 registration of motor vehicles. Lesson 4 provision of driver license. And lesson 5 the basic general rules of road in use and conduct. So, explain na muna natin kung ano yung nilalaman dun sa lesson 1. The standards of regulating movements of roads, streets, and highways are found traffic laws, rules, and regulations. In the Philippines, the mass of traffic laws, rules, and regulations have their source in law. These are the presidential decrees, executive orders, letters of source in laws, instruction, at etc. Tungkol ito sa traffic laws. Example nito yung traffic signs, pavement markings, and other control devices are traffic laws themselves. Ang nilalaman nitong lesson 1 na to, yung mga bawal pa o hindi sa isang roads or sa daanan. Or yung mga signage, gano'n ang example nitong lesson 1. So let us move on to the lesson 2, the importance of provision of RA 4136. So ano nga ba yung RA 4136? Ito ay nayamenda noong June 20, 1964. This is the basic law regulating land transportation in the Philippines. It has repealed Act Number 3992 o the Revised Motor Vehicle Law. The RA 4136 is like official playbook in terms of vehicle and traffic regulations. Ang RA 4136 ay maraming nilalaman sa law nito. Madaming section to. Pero meron akong alam na isang section dito sa RA 4136 which is the section 29 of 4136 nang sinasabi dito na only LTO deputized enforcer are allowed to confiscate our license. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa batas na ito kung ano yung mga nakapaloob dito. Kumbaga, LTO lamang or LTO deputized or enforcer yung pwede mag-collect ng ating license. So, let us move on to the lesson 3, the registration of motor vehicles. In RA 4136 mandates that all motor vehicles shall be registered by its owner before the designated district office of the Land Transportation Office o mas kilala nating LTO. Ano nga bang nilalaman nitong registration of motor vehicles? Simple na explanation yan. Tinutukoy dito na kailangan nating i-register yung ating mga motor for us to determine. Kasi example niyan, may nangyari na disgrasya. Tapos, yung nakaregister doon na sa motor mo na ay pangalan mo. So kahit natakasan mo man yung o na hit and run mo man yung nabunggo mo, once na ma-determine ng LTO yung plaka mo, ma-determine na nila na ikaw yung nagmamayari ng motor na yun. It is because of your registration of motor vehicles. Lesson 4. Provisions of driver's license. Driver license has a document issued to a qualified driver who possesses the statutory qualification as provided therefore. It is also a public document which has the legal presumptions of genuineness. There's a validity of expiration of license. Sa student driver's license, 12 months or 1 year. Sa non-professional and professional driver's license and conductor license, 5 years as per Public Act 10930 and LTO Administrative Order 2016-034 and international driver's license for tourists 90 days but can be renewed. So, sino nga ba ang pwede mag-avail dito sa student driver's license? Those are 17 years 17 years old and above. Sa non-professional and professional driver's license naman, ito na yung mga 18 pataas na pwedeng makakuha nito. Pwede na nilang i-drive dito sa professional driver's license, yung mga 4 wheels, yung mga yellow plates, ganun pwede na. Pero sa non-professional, it depends dun sa yellow plates. Meron kasi yung doon sa non-professionals driver's license na hindi mo pwede i-drive yung yellow plates. So, maraming nagtatanong dito sa student driver's license. Ito nga ba ay valid license? Student driver's permit is not a valid license po. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat. So, let us move on the last topic, which is the lesson 5, the basic general rules of road use and conduct. The traffic rules in the Philippines are based entirely on the general rules and roads use and conduct, which also include the general prohibition and restriction. So ano nga ba ang nilalaman ng lesson 5 nito? Ito yung mga basic rules kapag nagdadrive ka na ng sasakyan, which is dapat alam mo yung mga ibig sabihin ng mga road signs, which is meron yung mga solid white lane, broken line, ganon. Tapos yung mga hand gesture ng mga nagmomotor o yung mga signage nila, dapat alam mo yung mga yon. Is dito malalaman kung saka nga ba talagang magaling na driver or not, or hindi ka lang matutukoy dito. Baka sabihin ng iba na hindi mo alam tong ganitong mga road sign at baka masabihan ka pa na kamote. Karamihan sa mga yun, yung mga naka-4 wheels, which is dapat alam natin yung gamitin yung mga hazard signal, yung mga placer natin. Dapat alam natin kung kailan at paano nga dapat tamang gamitin.